I had a puncture on this left wheel. Couldn't get the wheel off. It was just, once I'd taken the wheel nuts off, it was solid. As you can see, I only show a little bit of the attempts to remove it. Span the wheel and tried it in all different positions, but it wouldn't come off. So just thought I'd show what I had to do. Jack the car up, put it on axle stands, made sure it was safe, put some blocks behind the wheel to lift to a height where I could get a block just against the back of the rim, and then using a sledgehammer, just again you maybe need to spin the wheel as you do it, and then with a few well placed hits it was a little bit difficult. Not a lot of room under there, but it came off. Just remember, you are hitting the car sort of sideways. If that wheel doesn't want to come off, make sure you are secure on the axle stand. You don't want to knock the car off the axle stand while you're underneath it. So if you need further security, put some blocks of wood under the car or anything to make it more secure. It's very common for wheels to get stuck on like this. It happens on all vehicles. The reason they get stuck so tightly is because of dissimilar metal corrosion. It's an alloy wheel and a steel hub, and there are also tight fits to keep the wheels centered on the hub, so whenever they corrode they become very tight. To stop this happening again, we'll clean it up with a wire wheel and use some copper slip on the hub and the wheel to make sure it comes off next time we want it off. Use it fairly liberally. Should stop it happening again. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button, and maybe consider subscribing if you found the content good. There's plenty more content on the channel as well, and thank you very much for watching. All that remains is for me to put the wheel back on now, tighten it up properly, and it's another job done. So thank you again for watching.